Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi. Today, let's practice English speaking with a daily conversation.
Relax. Listen carefully and try to speak with us.
Hi. How was your day today?
Hi. My day was good, but a little busy.
Oh, really? What did you do today?
I woke up early in the morning. I went to work and finished my tasks.
That sounds productive. Did you feel tired?
Yes, I felt tired in the afternoon, but I felt better in the evening.
What did you do in the evening?
I had dinner with my family and watched some videos.
That's nice. Spending time with family is important.
Now let's repeat together.
How was your day today? My day was good.
What did you do today?
I went to work. Did you feel tired?
Yes, I felt tired.
What did you do in the evening?
I watched videos.
Good job. Now let's continue.
Emma, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax. Sometimes I read a book.
That's a good habit. Reading helps improve English.
Yes, and I also practice speaking. Practice is very important.
I agree. If you practice every day, you will improve.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this question. How was your day today?
Good.
Thank you for practicing with us.
Practice every day and speak confidently.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.